is going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. So real quick change of scenery. I'm actually at work, but this video isn't going to be based on work. We're actually going to take y'all back to last weekend whenever we went ripping with Sang and Peter in their SVJs. And right here I'm going to show y'all the quick GoPro footage that I got with ripping with Peter. It was super damn crazy. His SVJ was extremely loud, and I really hope that y'all enjoy these clips. Let's get on to all this craziness. Yeah, we're Bro, that's the best sound in the world. Oh my god. Jesus. I'm pretty sure y'all are saying down in the comments that we scream like girls, but I do not. God, the downshifts. Goodness. Dang. Oh my god. Sucks that we left Sang though. For real.
We missed it!
Bro, we were able to hear that backfire from all the way over here, dude. That is crazy. Jesus. Alright Alright, you guys, so that'll pretty much do it for this video. I really hope that y'all enjoyed those crazy clips of me and my homie Alex ripping with Peter in his green SVJ. It was super crazy being able to listen to that V12 just screaming down the road, and I really hope that y'all enjoyed those clips. If y'all did, be sure that y'all like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and be sure that y'all stay tuned for these upcoming videos because they're going to be absolutely insane, and I'll see you on the next one.